The secret to preparing really great fish for dinner is to get the best quality fish you can and then do as little to it as possible. And that's what we're gonna do with this seared tuna steak with a grilled corn and scallion salsa. Oil the corn and scallions and season them both with salt and pepper. Add the corn to the grill, either your outdoor grill or an indoor electric grill, and turn it every once in a while as the kernels char a little bit. Add the scallions and then set everything aside. You can use a knife to remove the corn kernels, or a mandolin makes the job really easy. Chop the scallions, leaving the green pieces a little bit bigger than the white ends. Add that to the corn. Mince a jalapeno pepper, add that to the corn. Chop some fresh cilantro, and mix everything together along with lime juice, salt, and a little bit of cumin. That's your salsa. Now make sure your grill is really hot, lightly oil the tuna, and season generously with salt and chili powder. Place them onto the hot grill just for a couple of minutes each side, and then remove the tuna to a cutting board. Slice the tuna across the grain and transfer it to your dinner plates. Top with the salsa and serve right away. And that's all there is to it. The chili powder gives it a nice little kick, the sweet corn and scallion salsa complements it so nicely, and that salsa is great on its own with chips too.